Hi everyone, Petal is Bliss here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys a DIY wall decor that I want to make. My daughter asked me to make her, if you guys remember, I did the home, live, and laugh sign. She asked me to make one of those for her, so I said no problem. But I'm also going to make this wall art for her as a surprise. I'm making two of them for her. Alright, you guys, let's get into what we're going to need to do this wall art today. Okay, we have this canvas here that I got from my local art store, and it was $10, and it's 18 by 36. The canvas board is 18 by 36, as you can see here. Okay, I got two of those. And I got this from the Dollar Tree, you guys. This Paris here, it says "Take me to Paris." We'll be using that on our wall art today. And we have some bling gems. And I got these spoons from the Dollar Tree that we'll be using. I might be using this mirror, we'll see. I have some tape. And we have this silver paint that we'll be using. And we have our tools, E6000, the shears, the paintbrush, and our glue gun. Alright, you guys, let's get started. We're just going to add 2 coats of the silver paint all over the canvas. Alright, you guys, 2 coats. And our canvas is all dry with the 2 coats. Now we're going to add our Paris, our Eiffel Tower, you guys. Okay, this thing is in 2 parts and it's very tricky to lay it down because it's not even. If you lay it down just the way you think it's supposed to go, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to play around with it and then I do get it to lay straight. Alright, I got it to lay straight, you guys. So now I'm going to glue it down with some tacky glue. I don't want to use the glue gun because it's paper and I'm not sure if it's going to be too hot to burn it. So I'm just going to use this tacky glue and glue it down. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, you beside me. And now we're gonna glue down the "Take Me to Paris," you guys. Beside me, yeah, you beside me. I just need you back. Apartment 416, yeah. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. Call me up right now, girl, I recover. And now we're going to take the spoons from the Dollar Tree and just cut off the top part of the spoon, and I'll be using that to do a decor. I'll pick you up, I gotta see you know, baby, I know that me and you should be together. Yeah. All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. All my life. And now I see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah, you beside me. Beside me. Yeah, you beside me. When I had you, I was okay. You told me go out,
Girl, I would wait for you like all day.
And now we're adding my favorite thing. We're blinging it out with some gems. You know I just love my bling.
I'll admit, all the money that came and changed it all up. But now, ain't nothing gonna come and change all up. Cause now it's a different love. I'ma love it better now, I'ma love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me.
And here's our finished look, you guys. Take me to Paris. I think it looks very nice. I do hope to go there one day, so I love this picture. Maybe I need to make one for myself and hang it in my room. But this one is for my daughter. It looks very nice, just using those little wall stickers from the Dollar Tree. Take Me to Paris is the one I got, as you can see. And the spoons that we used, and of course our gems. And you got a lovely wall art for your wall. All with Dollar Tree items. It looks very nice. Alright, I hope my daughter likes it. I think it will look lovely in her home. And let me show you, as you can see in the corner, I have the second canvas board. I already painted it gray. I just have to add home, live, and laugh sign. Yeah. And for those of you who haven't seen the video, I'm going to insert a picture of it here. This is it, the home, live, and laugh. I'll be making this one for my daughter also. And I will leave a link below for you guys who haven't seen this video, so you guys can go over and check it out. Alright, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so you can see more DIYs that I will come up with. Alright, everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to make today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye, everyone.
Baby, I know that me and you should be together. Yeah. All my life I've been waiting for somebody.